ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു എജു സ്റ്റുഡിയോ. എജു സ്റ്റുഡിയോയുടെ പുതിയൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി അധ്യാപക യോഗ്യതാ പരീക്ഷയായ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ടെസ്റ്റ് അഥവാ സെറ്റ് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സീരീസിൽ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എക്കണോമിക്സ് പാർട്ട് 2. ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: minimum support price or MSP for minor forest products in India is declared by A. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, C. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, D. Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Answer: Option A, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Question 2. The Heckscher-Ohlin theory predicts that international trade would result in difference in factor prices between nations remains unchanged. B. Difference in factor prices between nations increases. C. Difference in factor prices between nations decreases. D. Difference in factor price between nations sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. Correct answer: option C. Difference in factor prices between nations decreases. Question 3. At constant relative commodity prices, the growth of only one factor leads to an absolute expansion in the output of the commodity using the growing factor increasively and to an absolute reduction in the output of the commodity using the non-growing factor intensively. Identify the theorem. Option A, Heckscher-Ohlin theorem, B, Rybczynski theorem, C, Metzler theorem, D, Leontief paradox. Correct answer: option B. Question 4. For a given good, which of the following is true? Option A, substitution effect is negative, B, income effect is negative, C, income effect is greater than substitution effect, D, all of these. Correct answer: option D, all of these. Question number 5. The equivalent of income consumption curve or ICC in producer's equilibrium is called. Option A, price consumption curve, B, expansion path, C, corner solution, D, iso-cost line. Answer: option B, expansion path. Question 6. After the formation of customs union, which of the static effect leads to an increase in welfare? Option A, trade diversion, B, trade creation, C, trade optimization, D, trade integration. Correct answer: option B, trade creation. Question 7. Which one of the following is best defined as: it is the square root of the mean of the squares of the deviation of all values of a series from their arithmetic mean? Option A, harmonic mean, B, range, C, quartile deviation, D, standard deviation. Answer: option D, standard deviation. Question 8. If the market rate of interest rises, the market price of bond may: option A, remain unchanged, B, falls, C, increases, D, first increases then falls. Correct answer: option B, falls. Question 9. Liquidity trap refers to a situation where at a certain very low interest. Option A, speculative demand for money becomes perfectly elastic, B, speculative demand for money becomes perfectly inelastic, C, the precautionary demand for money becomes perfectly inelastic. D. The precautionary demand for money become perfectly elastic. Answer option A. Speculative demand for the money becomes perfectly elastic. Question number 10. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1. A. Standard deviation. B. Mean deviation. C. Coefficient of variation. D. Variance. List 2. 1. Deviations may be taken from mean, median or mode. 2. Signs of deviation plus or minus are not ignored. 3. St square. 4. Standard deviation by mean into 100. Option A. A1, B2, C4, D3. B. A2, B1, C4, D3. C. A4, B1, C2, D3. D. A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer B. A2, B1, C4, D3. Question 11. A circular constellation of forces trending to act and react one another in such a way as to keep a poor country in a state of poverty is called. Option A. Abject poverty. B. Vicious circle of poverty. C. Relative poverty. D. Absolute poverty. Answer B. Vicious circle of poverty. Question 12. Which among the following scheme is unrelated to energy sector? A. UDAY. B. DDUGJY. C. UDAN. D. PMUY. Answer option C. UDAN. Question 13. Which among the following is not a founding member of European Economic Community or EEC? A. France. B. Italy. C. Belgium. D. Spain. Answer option D. Spain. Question 14. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1. A. Classical economist. B. Neoclassic economist. C. Keynesian economist. D. Monetarist. List 2. 1. Leon Walras and W.S. Jevons. 2. J. Hicks and A. Hansen. 3. C. Warburton and Anna Squats. 4. Adam Smith and David Ricardo. Option A. A1, B2, C3, D4. B. A4, B3, C2, D1. C. A4, B1, C2, D3. D. A1, B2, C4, D3. Answer option C. A4, B1, C2, D3. Question 15. Zero based budgeting or ZBB means 1. Prepare a budget from the scratch. 2. Unlimited financing. 3. Preparing the budget by neglecting the history of expenditure. Option A. 1 alone is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. 2 and 3 are correct. Answer option C. 1 and 3 are correct. 16th question. If the MPK is half and MPL is 4, this means that A. Capital is more productive than labor. B. Unit of labor is 8 times more productive than 1 unit of capital. B. 1 unit of labor is 8 times more productive than 1 unit of capital. C. 1 unit of labor is 4 times productive than 1 unit of capital. D. 1 unit of labor is 2 times more productive than 1 unit of capital. Answer. Option B. 1 unit of labor is 8 times more productive than 1 unit of capital. Question 17. Which of the following law states bad money drives out good? A. Ogun's law. B. Gray's-Shaw's law. C. Gresham's law. D. Say's law. Answer. Option C. Gresham's law. Question 18. The idea of creative destruction is associated with A. J. Schumpeter. B. Amartya Sen. C. Debraj Roy. D. J. M. Keynes. Answer. Option A. J. Schumpeter. Question 19. NIRD is situated at A. New Delhi. B. Hyderabad. C. Chennai. D. Mumbai. Answer. Option B. Hyderabad. Question 20. The Stopper-Samuelson theorem examined the effect of Option A. Technology on factor productivity. B. Factor endowment in commodity prices. C. Trade and tariff on income distribution. D. Trade on economic growth. Answer. Option C. Trade and tariff on income distribution. Questions to be continued in next video. If you think the video is informative, please like, share and subscribe our